Cape May, New Jersey is the southernmost point of the state of New Jersey and is famous for its beautiful beaches, attractive downtown area, historic sites, and impressive Victorian architecture. It is known as one of the first beach getaway destinations in the United States and is sure to leave you in awe with its unique beauty. On this tour, we will explore this historic and charming city and show you the best things to do and see while you're here. Hey everyone, JP here, back with another episode of Project Gaia, and today we are in beautiful Cape May, New Jersey. Now, Cape May is a very unique city here in New Jersey. Now, in my opinion, it's the most beautiful city in New Jersey. It is filled with Victorian architecture, quaint B&Bs, really has a very old school vibe. It has a beautiful city center, and it's right on the beach, so you kind of get the best of both worlds, right? Because you have that beachy vibe mixed with that old Victorian walkable city with all your stores and restaurants and beautiful places to stay. I mean, what's so nice about it is people come from all over the area. I mean, it's a perfect day trip from New York City or Philadelphia, right? And people come, they stay here, you know. We're here in the morning right now, and there's just people sipping coffee, rocking on these beautiful wraparound porches, and then later in the day, you know, you explore the town more, go to the beach, enjoy everything it has to offer. What we're going to do on this tour is we are going to show you the best things to do and see while you're here in Cape May, and also we're just going to explore the town a little bit and get an idea of what it is like to visit here. So let's start. One of the best things to do in Cape May is simply walking around the historic district. The whole city oozes with Victorian-era charm, filled with attractive and colorful mini mansions, most containing beautiful side gardens. The first thing that you should check out when you're here in Cape May is the Emlen Physick Estate, which is behind me. Now, this home was built in 1879 by the Physick family, and it is a quintessential Victorian home. I mean, the architecture of it really screams Victorian, right? So you go in, you get a guided tour. It's about 45 minutes, and they tell you all about the family and the home, and you get to see really cool Victorian style furnishings, and it's on these beautiful grounds where there's also a carriage house that has changing exhibits and a restaurant. So you can kind of get brunch here, go to the tour, and just kind of roam the grounds. So it's pretty cool. So without further ado, let's head in. The Emlen Physick Estate, built in 1879, is a classic example of American Victorian-era architecture. The home is oozing with character, and the 45-minute guided tour offers you the opportunity to learn more about the family that lived in the estate, but even more about the lifestyles of a wealthy family during the Gilded Age. Take a look at this man cave. Now, this is my kind of escape. How does your basement compare to this foreboding retreat? Okay, the next thing you have to see is the Cape May Lighthouse. So that's right behind me, obviously. So this is at the southernmost point of Cape May, and it's called the Cape May Point. So this is the most southern point in New Jersey. And you climb up to the lighthouse. You know, it's not entirely for the unfit, so you have to climb up a spiral staircase all the way to the top. But once you get there, it affords you beautiful views of Cape May, and you can look out into the ocean, out into the bay, and over into the city. So it's really cool and something to see. So let's head up. The Cape May Lighthouse, built in 1859, serves as a towering beacon that has guided ships along the treacherous waters of the Delaware Bay and Atlantic for centuries. The lighthouse rises 157 feet, and you can climb the 199 steps to the top to get excellent views of the Delaware Bay, Cape May City, the surrounding dunes below, and out into the Atlantic. Next, check out Cape May Point State Park. Right next to the Cape May Lighthouse lies acres of beaches, sand dunes, hiking trails, lookout points, and more. This point is the southernmost point in New Jersey, and because of its treacherous waters, you are not allowed to swim at the beaches. However, the beach is beautiful, sprawling, and picturesque, and I recommend you spend some time here as it is a good resting and reflection point on your adventure in Cape May. Okay, now when you're in Cape May, you definitely have to check out historic Cold Spring Village, which is where we are now. Now, what it is, it's a living history museum filled with colonial buildings, like a bakery, a wood shop, everything you could think of, right? It's dog friendly, and the day we're here, as you can hear the gunshots, there's a Civil War reenactment. So every day they kind of have something different. So definitely check that out when you're here. Historic Cold Spring Village is a living history museum just a couple of minutes outside of Cape May. Most of the buildings on the property are original, and you can learn all about how people lived in this village during the colonial and Victorian eras. It's interesting because it allows you to step back into time and understand how people of the past really lived. Also, Cold Spring Village always has special events, and the day we were here they had a Civil War battle reenactment. So check out their calendar before you go to see what might be happening the day you want to visit. Make sure you grab a map to see what each building's purpose is. This way you can plan your trip for what type of topic you'd like to learn about. The grounds are big, and this allows you to visualize what you are seeing. Cape May is known to have fantastic marine life sightings. If you have the time, check out a whale and dolphin watching cruise with Cape May Whale Watcher. These tours are pretty lengthy, being anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. However, you can get up close and personal with pods of dolphins and large whales. Sightings really vary on a lot of factors like weather and time of the year, but you should see something on the tour. After all of your touring, you most likely have worked up an appetite. Head over to downtown Cape May for a bite to eat in one of the area's several restaurants and check out the attractive pedestrian-only shopping mecca known as the Washington Street Mall. If you're looking for some nautical-themed souvenirs, I recommend you check out Whale's Tail. This boutique store offers everything nautical, beachy, and seaside. This is the place to go to find unique items to decorate your beach house, to find a cool gift for the beach lover at home, or to get something for yourself so you'll always remember your day or weekend in Cape May. After you've had your fill of dining and shopping, head to the blocks just south of the Washington Street Mall for some of the best Victorian era architecture in Cape May and the United States. Take it all in as you continue south where you eventually hit the beach. Now, when you're here in Cape May, after you do the downtown Cape May and the Washington Street Mall, right, just a couple blocks down, right, you run into the beach, and it has a real kind of beachy vibe. Like, you see a lot of like motels, hotels with like pools and everything, and then you just walk right into the beach. So it's really cool because you kind of blend the old world kind of like pedestrian area with all your shops and stores, and then you walk right over and you're at the beach. So it's really the best of both worlds. I hope you've enjoyed this journey. If you like this kind of content, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and leave me your comments below on anything I've missed or your recommendations. Until next time, guys, bye.